Keeping track of a couple rounds of pesky flurries and snow showers, not just today, but the next several days in a row. We're kind of stuck in an active weather pattern until possibly early next week. So here's satellite and radar now. We do have a few more flurries exiting Lee County, but not much for accumulation over the rest of this evening. And we should stay quiet then the rest of the night. Could even clear out a little, so sunshine possible by tomorrow morning. By the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, though, snow right back into the forecast. You can see on Future Track here by 11 o'clock. We're looking at that cloud cover overhead again. Snow showers moving in from the west. A lot of those moving in after 3 o'clock tomorrow. So from 3 to about 6 o'clock, look for steady light snow across the state line that could result in some slick spots on the roads. We may see the snow linger for a little while into Thursday night, and of course that would add on to any totals there. In general, the snow seems to be lining up a little heavier the farther north you go, so about an inch or so for accumulation. But as you can see, as you work your way southward, we're dropping below an inch. So an inch or less coming in the forecast for tomorrow afternoon and evening. And then as we look ahead towards the weekend, we have to keep an eye on potentially another round of snow, this one working in more from south to north. You can see in the afternoon on Friday, we have light snow showers south of I-88. Eventually that spreads around the remainder of the state line into Friday night. And that could stick around throughout much of Saturday morning and even into the early afternoon. Models still kind of disagree how long they want that to linger. And that, of course, determine how much snow may fall on Saturday, but plan on possibly a couple inches of snowfall between Friday night and Saturday as a result of that steady snow sticking around for a while. So multiple rounds that we're tracking, of course, then. So for tomorrow afternoon into the evening, inch or less coming, but still could see some slick spots. And then Friday night into Saturday morning, still kind of being determined here as to how long the storm lasts, but a couple inches of snow definitely possible once we get into the start of the weekend. Then we have to keep an eye on early next week between Monday and especially into Tuesday, maybe monitoring for a much stronger snowstorm. Also, we'll be watching the track of that next round very closely into early next week, as that one could bring more than a couple inches of snow if it tracks right through our area. On top of all that, plenty of snow on the ground. Today makes it 43 days in a row with at least 4 inches of snow on the ground. This all started up on December 30th, and we haven't seen anything less than 4 inches of snow depth since then. We definitely won't break the record. That was 103 days in a row with at least 4 inches of snow on the ground dating back to the winter of 1979. So we are getting close to into the top 5 4 days in a row, but we'll be nowhere near that top spot at all. On top of all this, extra chilly air in play, -2 tonight, wind chill down to -20. Then for tomorrow, only back up to about 12 for a high with those light snow flurries. And as you look ahead in the forecast, getting colder from there. Valentine's Day, only 5 above for a high. Could see dangerous wind chills Saturday night and Sunday night. Early next week, though, we'll be watching Tuesday for that next potential snowstorm, but also the heat coming in. 20s in the forecast, and in your most accurate 10-day forecast, may see those 20s stick around for a little while. By next weekend, could be in the middle 20s. James and Kristen.
Gonna feel like a heat wave, Alex. Thanks.